Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to block someone in the Facebook marketplace. So now the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now all you need to do after going to the marketplace is to follow the simple steps. So basically, you can go to a seller profile and then just block them easily. So let's just search for any seller. So we go to random listing here. If we go down, we will find the seller information. After that, you will need just to click on the seller and then we will find report button. So after you click on report, here at the bottom we will find block the seller. When you click on block, you will click on block and then you will have the seller blocked from your profile successfully. So basically this is how you can block someone on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.